This is Ray Grosswirth, married priest from Rochester, New York. As you can see, I'm seated next to my washing machine, and you're probably wondering what this is all about. Please be assured that I am not making this up. I could not make this up no matter how hard I tried. But this is actually the headline that appeared in the Vatican newspaper last week, the Osservatore Romano. As International Women's Day was celebrated, the Vatican asked that we give thanks for the washing machine, claiming that this humble domestic appliance had done more for the women's liberation movement than the contraceptive pill or working outside the home. This is just another example of the obscured and ineffective way the Vatican continues to deal with women in the church. If the Vatican truly feels that women are capable of doing no more than the laundry, perhaps it is time for them to throw in the towel. Let us continue to pray for more common sense and inclusivity in the Roman Catholic Church.